Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ZOTAC Zone Gaming Handheld. So friends, ZOTAC has officially launched and availability of Zone Gaming Handheld is equipped with AMD Ryzen 7 8845U processor with AMOLED screen. So friend, the ZOTAC has first gaming handheld is available at $799 the same price of ROG LEX. And when the both devices are featuring similar APUs, the LE however comes with more memory 24 GB was 16 GB and larger default storage 1 TB was 512 GB, but ZOTAC is the only premium handheld featuring an AMOLED screen. So is this feature worth this price? And the APU has 8 core and boost up to 5.1 GHz, and more importantly it uses Radeon 780M graphics with 12 compute unit based on RDNA architecture, and the device comes with 16 GB LPDDR5X 75 nits memory and 512 GB M.2 NVMe PCI 4.0 into 4 storage. This appears to be the only option available, and the user will also have access to UHS 2 micro SD card expansion should they need additional storage. And the standard features of this handheld is obviously the screen, and it is only premium system with AMOLED display featuring 7-inch screen size, 1080p resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, impressive 800 nits peak brightness. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.